Hi everyone, this is Laika and welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. So for today's video, another car, another day na naman tayo, and we have this Mustang Mach-E 4. So in this video, you will see the installation process and how smoothly our tint is applied to the vehicle. Our Nano-Tech MAX series offers a wide range of shades depending on your preference and driving needs, but all of them have the same 99% infrared heat rejection and UV protection. The only difference between the shades is the visible light transmission on how dark or light the tint appears. So for this car, the client chose Max 70 for the windshield and Max 30 for the sides, giving the vehicle a perfect balance of clarity and privacy. You know what guys, this tint is made with 100% nano-ceramic technology, which helps provide excellent heat rejection, UV protection, and infrared blocking, helping keep the interior cooler and more comfortable, especially during hot days. Aside from protection, it also gives the car a dark and stylish exterior look while still maintaining remarkable clarity from the inside of the cabin. This type of tint is perfect for people who want added privacy and protection but still want to maintain clear visibility and safety while driving on the road. So here at LA Car Accessories, we offer different type of tint films depending on your needs and preference. So if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at our branches near you in Makati, Paranaque, Cebu, and Davao.